My video is about removing the fake human verification alerts that are related to the site freeadvhub.com. Freeadvhub.com is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Freeadvhub.com tries to trick you into clicking on a special allow button integrated into it, but to click on allow means that the browser will be hijacked. If you click on allow, you will be forwarded to some other deceptive resources, and because of that the computer may be infected with permanent advertisements that will be displayed as random push notifications. It is a mistake to click on this allow button, so if you have done that, you need to undertake certain measures to fix your browser. Access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go to Permissions, and then select Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. So if you find this freeadvhub, you need to remove this junk site from the list and also delete other malicious websites too. We also recommend researching your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system to detect and eliminate other infections from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.